Welcome back to Learning Football with Santosh Kashyap, former Indian footballer, Mahindra United player, and FIFA and AFC instructor. If you missed the previous two videos on set plays for attacking, it might be a good idea to watch them now.
Hi guys, good evening. This is Santosh Kashyap. Welcome back to another episode of Learning Football with me. So today we are going to practice on how to improve and develop speed and acceleration. Modern football is all about speed and acceleration, with the ball and without the ball. So we start with a preparation, how to keep your muscles warm and prepare for speed, because very important. If you're not properly warm up, you get a chance to tear muscles or pull muscles. So we'll start with slow warm up, with slow jogging, and then we move to coordination, dynamic exercise, and then we ladder. We get the feel of it and we'll do the acceleration part. So it will progress accordingly. So with me I have my friend Mr. Dharmendra, is former national player, great help. So thank you Dharmendra, and please guys, let's begin, come on. So now leave the ball as it is, now go for slow jog. It's very important that we have to warm our muscles with slow jog. Take one round of slow jog or two rounds, come on, go together, well done. You can see it's very important they go for slow jog and warm their muscles. So preparation is very important part of speed and acceleration, and will gradually improve. Okay, well done, very nice. Okay guys, now the four players here, one behind the others, laying that side, facing that side. So yes, Sultan, come in front. Bhavish, you can stay in front.
Move that side. Three that side. In line.
Behind. Yes, one behind. So you have to run outside, run, and go inside, outside. Yes. Start jogging this way, and try to keep moving from here. So we'll start dynamic exercise to prepare your body. Okay, very nice. Now come knee up, slowly knee up, come till here, yes, very nice, and jog back, yes, very good. Okay, relax and jog back, yes. Good, keep the distance, maintain the distance. Now go back hill, yes, very nice, maintain the distance, don't clash. Yes, very nice. So hand rotation, you can do hand rotation while going. Yes, up. Now backward. Yes, backward, very nice. Okay, and jog back, very good. Go sideways, halfway, and then change. Okay, change. Yes, very nice. So you have to prepare your body, lower part as well as upper part. Very important. Okay, now you can go for dynamics. Pop. Yes. Very good. Yes. And jog. Okay, now go for backward. See, you should proper maintain distance. So go backward. Yes. And look in front. Yes. And jog back. And now you can go up. This is all dynamic. You have to prepare your adductors and muscles for speed work. Very nice. Now backward. Did? Yes. Okay, now go sideways. Poop. And jog back. Yes. Okay guys, so you did that basic one. Now in partners, dynamics. So one here, another here, and then same with that side. So this dynamics exercise is very, very important. Go for full circumferences of the leg. Yes, change leg. Okay, change. Yes, very good. Swing the leg, swing more. Okay guys, okay. So this is the, get the feel. Come on now, 3 players there and 4 players there. Come on. Come, Bhavish, you stay in front. And yes, Samuel. Goalkeeper stay behind. Yes. So now start all the exercises. Knee up and jog back. Yes, come on. Pop. Very nice. So once finished, second start. Yes, very nice. Hand movements, very nice, very good. So yes, come on, continue. Yes, slowly look up. Slightly chin up and do it. Okay, sideways, pop. Sideways, yes, very nice. Prepare your muscles for speed work and coordination is very, very important, yes. Yes, inside, don't miss the net. Okay, yes, excellent, Sultan, well done, very nice. The side change now. Yes, slightly chin up so you can see front as well. Very nice. Okay, inside, outside, pop. Come on. Yes, inside, outside. Very good. Yes. So guys, yeah, continue. So I think your body ready for speed work. So now, so you have to pop knee up and sprint as much you can and then walk back. The recovery also important. Okay? So go. Pop and speed. Yes, and walk back. Yes, come on, second. Pop and speed. Yes. Pop and speed up. Yes. And speed up. Very nice. Pop. Don't miss. See. It's very, very important that you cover all the steps. So you don't skip now. So try to do it. And speed. And walk back. Okay? Come on. Now sideways. Pop. Very good. And speed up. Yes. Very nice. Pop. And speed up. Yes. Very nice. Pop. And speed up. Yep. Yes. Speed up. Other side. Pop. And speed. Yes. Wow. Speed up. And walk back. So, this is all about speed. We prepared the players with slow jog and dynamic and stretching and then all coordination. And now we'll prepare them before go for speed work. Now, after speed is very, very important part is acceleration. We have to speed is fast, but you have to change the pace. So we'll work on that now. So guys, now you work on speed. So what you are doing is speed. You are going like this, and fast. Now acceleration. You have to go for 1, 2, 3 ladder and then skip the ladder. So you have to change the pace. So I'll show you. So say 1, 2 and poof, poof. Understand? So accelerate, change the pace, go, and speed up, yeah, accelerate. Yes, well done, very nice. Yes. Okay. So still there from the beginning only they accelerate. That's not. We have to speed up, and when the speed, then change the pace. So I'll show you, just follow. So what you are doing, some of you skip from here only. That's not acceleration. From here, you go. So 1, 2, 3 and then whoop. Understood? So first 3, 4 letter don't skip. After that you skip. Okay? Go. Yes, that's better. Yes, this, oh, well done, very nice. Yep. Excellent, Sultan, well done. So this is all about speed and acceleration without the ball. Now in second part, we'll cover that how to win game situation. We'll cover the speed with the ball. Okay. Okay guys, is now final part of the session on speed and acceleration. Very, very important. Now we get the feel of it without the ball. Now we'll go in actual game situation, how we can improve and coordination in speed and acceleration with the ball. So we'll see that. Okay guys. So goalkeeper saved the goal on the lane, because this will start with just 5 to 7 meters and then progress to 15 meters and then progress to 25 meters. Okay. So play. Speed up and try to finish. Yes, well done, excellent. Very nice. So quick finish. Yep. Yes, good. Well done. Wow, oh, fantastic. Good finish. Yes. So continue. So you can see that they are perfect. They are using speed, acceleration, and see that getting a practice of one touch quick finish, which is very, very important. So it's a game related. So it'll cover all the parts: the speed, acceleration, and finishing. Okay. So now we'll move from 15 meters. The distance will increase. Okay. So your pass should come till here. So they have to sprint more and then try to finish. And you defend there itself. Okay. Play. Yes. Speed up. And finish. Yes. Well done. And walk back. And walk back. Side. Walk back. Play. Yes. Okay. Well done. Good. Sprint. Walk back. So. Yes. Good. And score. Scoring is important. Yes, very good. So you can see that now distance we increase. So recovery time also is there. Once you take this, you have to have at least 30-second rest period. So you can see in the more distance, you have to speed up, accelerate, and finish. So scoring is very, very important as in the game. So you have to don't be casual. Yeah, fantastic. So scoring is very, very well done, Bhavish. Well done, very nice. Yes, play. Yeah, okay. So we go in the final part of 25 meters. Okay guys, so now with the final part of the session of speed and acceleration. So you can see the distance almost 25 to 30 meters. So in that is covered speed, endurance and acceleration. So server will play the ball and then player has to diagonally run and straight and try to same score goal with more distance. Play. Yes, speed up and try to finish. Yeah, good try. Yes, good save. Well done. And walk back. Walk back. Recovery is important. Play. Yes, good pass. Come on, speed up and score. Score. Whoa, okay, good try, but it should be on target. And walk back. Goalkeeper change. Goalkeeper change. Wait. So in that, recovery time is very, very important. At least they should, after one sprint, they should have to cover 1 minute rest. So once they recover, they will be more effective. So don't need to rush on this. Play. No. Wait. You play the ball, then they will sprint. They will start. Play. Yes, now sprint. Yes. And try to finish. Yes, good. With the toe. Excellent. Very nice. Walk back. Yes, well done. Very nice. Good save, goalkeeper. Play. Yes, good. Speed up. You can take further or good shot. Yes, very nice. You can take more further and try to score. Scoring is important. After speed, acceleration, putting a lot of effort, you have to score. That's very, very important. It's very, very important that when you take a lot of effort for sprint, acceleration from there almost 25 minutes and kicking the ball out, no use. So you have to go close, hit the target and try to score. So guys, it's taking a lot of effort to sprint from there, and once you reach here and kicking out, no point. So try to take the ball ahead and try to hit the target, score, very important. Okay? Yep. Come on, speed up. Come on Uday. Come on Joel. Yes. Yeah, fantastic. So this is all about speed and acceleration. So hope you are learning, and again it's a practice. You need to be lot practice, and definitely you will become a better player with speed, and definitely help you to score goals. When you faster than the defender is always an advantage. So modern football is all about speed and acceleration. If you can do without ball or with ball, it's fantastic. So hope you liking any learning with me guys. So please do like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll give you a lot knowledge input about the strength and coordination and agility in further sessions. So thank you very much for now. Bye bye.